dedicated to the thirsty cattle that will drink here. For centuries, these tribesmen have been nurtured by the oxen of the sun, and they hold the cattle in great veneration and affection. Some water, at least. Camels, on the other hand, can actually survive thirst for as long as 100 days. Animal identifies it as a lead camel. The sound of the bell distinguishes this particular group and is recognizable not only by the other camels in the group, but by other camels and other nomads. This one appears to be leaving well prepared for future privation, but of course the water it carries is for the use of the herdsman. The camel is a beast of great importance to much of Somalia's population. This animal, normally docile, provides food in the form of milk for a large nomadic group of herdsmen. Camels are also branded in the same humane manner. The big beast doesn't always have it this good. In the dry seasons, he gets his food by grazing on sparse, arid ground. The sale or exchange of such animals calls for sharp and wary dealing in the marketplace. Camels are especially valuable, being known as the gold standard in this part of Somalia. From scenes such as this came the term ships of the desert to describe the unique beasts of burden. This one is carrying everything that his nomadic owner possesses. The hemispheric pieces of wood are the forms for the nomads' tents. The camels themselves must move from place to place for the sake of finding new grazing areas. The nomads carry only sticks as weapons or protection. In a country of 4.5 million people, there are more than 20 million camels, and herding them is an occupation that has come down through the ages. These women, with infants on their backs, often walk more than 20 miles a day as they trudge along with the camels.